Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add screen video elements to your videos on YouTube. So I uploaded this video, I already finished the details, and now video elements, you can click on add and you can choose from here different video elements. I will show you all of them. So if you choose video, you can select from different options most recent upload. So if you choose this one, then YouTube will show your last video. Even if you post this video and after 1 year, this video will show your recent videos. So this is very cool if you are trying to build your viewership to get more views on the newer videos. You can also choose best for viewer, which is also very useful, maybe even more useful, because this way YouTube and the Google algorithm will use its metadata and will promote one of your videos which is the best for the viewer which is viewing your video. So maybe this one is even better because everyone will see different videos of yours but more relevant. Or you can also choose specific video from your uploads. This is pretty obvious. Then another element that you can use is playlists, which is, I think, very cool. I use them very often. You can put a playlist here, and it's very useful if you use playlists that are related to the video, and this way everyone who is watching your video can go, if they enjoyed it, they can go along and watch more similar stuff. Yeah, you can also add subscribe button. This is the subscribe button for your channel. This one is also pretty obvious and self-explanatory. This will be your channel logo, and if they move their mouse over the logo, then this will appear your channel name and the subscribe button. Very cool, very useful. And you can also add other channels. For example, I have this music channel, and if I want to add its subscribe button, then I can put it here near this channel subscribe button. So that's it pretty much. These are the elements that you can use for your YouTube video and screens. Thanks for watching. Check out my YouTube playlist. As I mentioned, the viewers can go and continue watching your videos. That will be awesome. Thank you for watching, and go home to your house. Goodbye.